Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video I'm going to show you how to delete a Telegram bot permanently. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your Telegram application and you'll have to search for bot fodder. Right here, as you can see, we have a list with all the commands that we can use. First you'll have to select to type in /start and you'll have to start the bot, and after that you'll see right here that you have this command which is my bots, and you'll have to type in right here /my bots, and you'll see a list with the bots that you have on Telegram. In my case, I don't have any bots right now, but if you have one or multiple bots, you'll see the list right here. So after that, you can simply tap on the bot that you want to delete and select the delete bot button in order to delete your bot permanently. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.